He's having a seriously hard time getting back to his feet after that. He drops the elbow.
A little salt in the wound here from Ryback. Oh, out of nowhere. Still not through. Not this.
He's looking at it again. Roman Reigns has said he's the solution to injustice here in the WWE. He looks like a big problem to me.
Uh-oh. Ryback is feeling cocky.
You can see him struggling to stand after all the... Wow, that's going to be it. Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big.
The human wrecking ball is just measuring him right now. Getting ready for a thunderous end to this contest.
Oh, good night. A little salt in the wound here from Ryback.
Into the cover, hooks the leg.
He hasn't done nearly enough to get the pin yet.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Reigns sent down hard. Ryback connecting here.
Look at that reversal. What strength. Oh, look at this.
He's hurt. He's hurt bad. And again, the mind games are played. Ryback. There's the clothesline. He's setting it up. I can't believe everything that...
Great counter. Uh-oh. We know what Reigns is looking to do here. Oh, what a painful kick.
And escaping to the outside, a veteran move to avoid the pinfall. Oh no, look at those eyes. Evil thoughts have to be running through his mind.
Hang on. Hang on. I don't like this one bit. Don't think I won't count you out.
And he gets back in. What a vicious spear. Hooks the leg. 2. The referee's calling